Okay, so here we are about to do a disassembly video of version 3 gearbox. This one came out of my AUG. So first of all, start taking out screws. I like to start on the left, go to the right. Now it's really helpful if you keep all these together because they're all different lengths. So keep them in order somewhere. Don't lose the washers on them. Some of them have washers, some don't. Okay, now the next. And the next. And the next. Okay, so if you have them all loose correctly, then that little piece should come, the whole trigger assembly right there should come off. Takes a little bit of playing around with. I don't think I have this one loose all the way. See if that helps. And keep in mind these screws are really long, so these three are. Okay. I think I finally got them loose. And there you go. Now you can either leave those three in that, or you can take them out. I'm just going to leave them in that for a bit. Push that to the side, and then you can pull the motor off. Push all that to the side. Okay, so now, here's the gearbox. Take out the remaining two screws. Remember to keep them in order. Okay, so now you have all the screws out of your gearbox. Now, next thing to do is get this right here. It's the gear protector right there. You have to pop it off like that. See if I can give you a closer view. Pop it off, kind of push it to the side, down, yeah, there we go. And just wiggle it on out. Sometimes it takes a little work. There we go. Well, thought I had it. Okay. Now, have that. Set it to the side, don't lose it. You'll need it. Okay. Now, last thing to do before you open the gearbox is pull off this little top piece. Slide it right off. Sometimes it's going to take a screwdriver or something to get that off. Now you're ready to open the gearbox. Now this is the fun part, so take it slow. Get something, screwdriver, anything, and start wiggling it open. Kind of pry it open till you can get to the, there, mine popped because I didn't reset it. Okay, now get to the back, right back here where the spring guide is. Now stick something in there to hold the spring guide down. Kind of push it down while holding down the cylinder right here. And just kind of pull off the top half of the gearbox. There you go. Now, you're not done yet. Hold this down. Now push in on the spring and release the spring you have. There you go. Your gearbox is now disassembled. Okay, now gunner, what you're going to do to replace the spring guide and the spring, okay, let me show you them first. This is your spring guide. I kind of recommend a metal one because, as you can see, it's supposed to have that on both sides. Yeah, I broke mine by accident. Whoops. But you need one of those, preferably metal, and then that's your spring. All you do to replace them is just get a new spring. Like I have a weaker one over here. Grab it and just slide it inside. Get you a new spring guide, which I don't have one. Slide it onto the end. When you reassemble it, just push it into the gearbox, and then you're done. There you go, buddy. Okay, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a sort of reassembly video. I don't have all the gears out and everything because I didn't really feel like doing that today. But I'm going to show you how to reassemble it, and I'm going to try to get it all in there correctly. It's kind of fun. Sometimes you gotta try again and again. So here we go. First, you take the spring guide and you hold down the cylinder here because it will come up. And then you push it all the way in until the little thing goes, the little plastic piece goes into the slot. Mine's still not in the slot yet, so hold on a second. Okay, well it's gonna have to be good enough for now. Now, you're gonna have to play around with this. Take some time to get used to doing this, but somehow hold that down. Get the other half of the gearbox. Make sure it's still shimmed correctly and all. You still got all the bushings in there, or as I have, bearings. Then start putting it back together. Put your finger through there, and I just lost a bushing. Okay, well, I'm just going to show you. Put your finger through this hole right here, hold down the cylinder, and you set on the top. But I gotta get my bushing real quick, because I kind of need that. Put it back in there. This is going to happen to you some, so heads up. Okay. You can epoxy them in or something, but I just don't want to. So here we go. Try this again. Now hold it down. Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Start setting it on. After you get it all set on, start sliding out whatever you have holding down the spring guide. Start sliding it out. Now, make sure everything's lined up so it'll shut completely. You may have to play around with the gears, the trigger assembly, and look there. I just shut my gearbox. Ta-da! There you go. And it's pretty self-explanatory of how to put it back together the rest of the way, so I'm not going to waste my time on that. All you do is put the screws back in, top guard back, the top piece back on, and don't forget this little booger. Little gear protector that goes right here behind the trigger. Don't forget that either. And there you go.